before Timo, I think we were probably like most other parents. We didn't really have a plan. We knew every morning, every afternoon, every evening what has to be done, but we never really had a specific order or a plan laid out. So, and when you don't have a plan, things can go haywire really quick. Something changes, or you miscommunicate with your spouse or your child, and then everything goes crazy, and then everybody gets confused. Every morning we would wake up and we would tell her, okay, go do this, go do that, and things would tend to be very hectic. And sometimes, admittedly, I would get upset, or my wife would get upset, or even Sophie, our daughter, would get upset. With Timo, it allows us to have a plan. It allows us to be more calm as we go through her routines. And that's all day long, morning, because we use Timo in the morning, we use it for her afternoon routine, and then we have an evening routine as well. So it's brought a lot of calm to the morning, which is really, really good. We're not yelling at each other as much. And then it also gives Sophie the opportunity to feel empowered, that she's in control of her own mornings. And now with Timo, she's already moving to get out of the door, and we don't even have to say anything. And that's just fun to see your child taking control of their own situation. She just knows because she moves on from one task to the next. I think one thing also I've noticed of how it impacts Sophie, I can tell she feels really powerful, like in control of her life and having fun while she's doing it, not feeling so burdened. Sophie has a very, very busy schedule. And, before Timo, she felt like, I gotta go study, I gotta go do this, now I have to go, Taekwondo. And you could tell she just felt burdened, and now it's more like she's looking forward to her next task. And I think it's probably because of those rewards that she's getting. Having meaning to a block of time, like what is 5 minutes? Yeah. What is 30 minutes? It's meaningless to most children. Yeah. On Sunday, I told her, we're gonna leave in 5 minutes. And then I said, what's one of your Timo activities that's 5 minutes? And she said, I think she said going potty. So I said, okay, so think about that. And then when you're done playing with your friends, come to the front door. And she was there in almost exactly 5 minutes. Yeah. So that's the beauty for me as a parent, is that I can now tell her, hey, what's 5 minutes? Okay, in 5 minutes, we're going. And then it means something to her now. I think for us as parents, we do limit Sophie's access to technology. But I think I like Timo because she's learning to use technology for her benefit. And ultimately, that's what technology is for. Like, I feel comfortable recommending Timo for any parent, again, because it's using technology to teach their children how to be better. So to me, that makes sense. Technology makes sense. Timo's helped me as a parent, I think, just be more patient. Realizing what it was like before and then what it's like now, because everything is quieter, less chaotic, less yelling. I didn't realize I was doing that in the morning. And I think Timo has just kind of helped me realize that not having a plan for your day works against you. Yeah, I just want to say to you that I think this is a really good thing, a good application. It's purposeful, and it complements parent and children. We've just been enjoying using it and watching Sophie
learn, and grow. Thank you guys
Thank you.
for all your hard work.